If you had a huge, shiny, metallic sculpture by Jeff Koons, where do you think should you put it? Photographers would probably tell you exactly what I have in mind. An extremely large penthouse terrace somewhere in New York to show off your prized artwork so you can let your neighbors be as envious as ever. In case you were wondering where to find them, stay tuned as we show you the top of the list of the most luxurious penthouses in New York City. This is Luxury Prima, the Sky Mansion at 180 East 88th Street. Finally, you've come to your senses that indeed the penthouses of New York City, or the Big Apple, fascinates you. Starting with this, prepare to be amazed by the crown jewel of luxury living, the Sky Mansion of 180 East 88th Street, situated in the vibrant streets of New York City. This architectural masterpiece reaches new heights of opulence and grandeur. The jaw-dropping property featured as Kendall Roy's home in the TV series Succession. The Sky Mansion is a true testament to modern luxury, boasting impeccable craftsmanship, exquisite finishes, and a perfect blend of contemporary design and timeless allure. This penthouse is valued at an astonishing $29 million. From the private elevator, a flood of sunlight illuminating the high ceilings and oversized arch brass windows greet you. The apartment is part of the coveted Upper East Side residential tower, unfolding its magnificence over a generous 5,500 square feet. With 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 2 powder rooms, this beauty is characterized as a triplex penthouse. Its charm lies in its fancy window designs, mimicking doors contributing to the architectural appeal. The outdoor space includes a corner terrace, offering panoramic views. The Sky Mansion, standing as the tallest residential suite in the Upper East Side, promises its residents an escape from the city's energetic pulse. 78th floor penthouse, 4 Seasons. Nestled high above the bustling streets, this extraordinary residence offers a rare experience that is simply unparalleled. The meticulously reconditioned penthouse at 4 Seasons Private Residences in Tribeca, NYC, gives its residents an extensive panorama of the city's skyline, East River, and the symbolic Statue of Liberty. This 6,120 square foot palace is on the market at an impressive $40 million. It has 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 2 powder rooms, and an entryway adorned with wood-paneled walls. The gas fireplace nestled within the marble wall, stretching to the ceiling, exudes an air of uniqueness, with its sidelights enhancing the mood. With its floor-to-ceiling windows, you'll be treated to breathtaking vistas of the cityscape, where the sparkling lights of Manhattan become your own private masterpiece. Inside the open living area, there are intricately placed built-in bookshelves and a desk setup ideal for a home office. The bedrooms even offer incredible views with high ceilings and classy marble bathrooms. The children's area features captivating wallpaper designs and loft beds with more than enough storage drawers. The blackout shades reveal a stunning skyline each morning, a true sight to behold. 432 Park Avenue, 96th floor. The 96th floor penthouse at 432 Park Avenue, nearly 1,400-foot super tall tower on Manhattan's Billionaires Row, is listed at $169 million, one of the most ambitious listings in the country. The property is a testament to luxury, marking its maiden entry into the market with a full-floor residence under 8,300 square feet. It has an expansive 93-foot-long combined living and dining room, a library, and 6 bedrooms. The untouched penthouse features bespoke designs, including a custom-built piano furniture and artwork designed by Raphael Vinoli. The kitchen with top-tier appliances and a 4-seater breakfast bar offers a striking view over Central Park in Manhattan. The primary suite has plush dressing rooms, 2 bathrooms with Italian marble, floating tubs, and stone-carved sinks, living up to the residence's theme of grand vistas. Unlike its Billionaires Row peers, the building holds its weight, offering unhindered views and hallway spaces perfect for art. Hampshire House Penthouse, Billionaires Row. The Hampshire House Penthouse offers an expansive living space adorned with the finest materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and stunning attention to detail. From the panoramic windows, behold the breathtaking views of the iconic cityscape that serve as a constant reminder of your privileged address. An exceptional triplex penthouse in the prestigious Hampshire House in Central Park South graces Billionaires Row, this 5-bedroom masterpiece is valued at $40 million. It offers mesmerizing cityscape views and even emerged as an attractive investment opportunity at a December 2020 auction. The award-winning design spans 3 floors with abundant space, glass wall accents, and about 1,000 square feet of private terraces overlooking Central Park. The building prides itself with premium amenities and a reasonable monthly fee. The London-based investor Arnon Katz and Elliott of the Elliott team spearheaded the development. After a $20 million renovation worth of work, the penthouse's value skyrocketed to an impressive $100 million from its initial value of $40 million. The penthouse's expansion showcases modern designs and abundant windows, with a total area of 1,125 square feet, granting it the 2018 Best Residential Project Award from Interior Design magazine. With easy access to public transportation, shopping venues, restaurants, and the architectural beauty of Central Park South, the fortunate investor will undoubtedly enjoy a uniquely luxurious experience in this property. Central Park Tower. Standing proud as the tallest residential building in the Western Hemisphere, this extraordinary masterpiece is an unmistakable icon in the heart of the Big Apple. As you approach the tower, its sleek and striking design commands attention, setting it apart as a symbol of modernity and sophistication. Step into the lavish world of the Central Park Tower, where every aspect of luxury living has been meticulously crafted. From its exquisite residences with breathtaking views of Central Park to its world-class amenities and unparalleled level of service, this architectural gem offers an elevated living experience unlike any other. It soars 1,416 feet high, earning its moniker the one above all else in true style. This masterpiece has intrinsically thought out 7 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, and 2 state-of-the-art kitchens. Its splendor is even elevated by having the world's highest private ballroom and residential terrace. A profusion of luxurious amenities with a private restaurant, cigar room, indoor and outdoor pools, a spa, fitness center, and even a movie theater all come with a penthouse. The property's standout feature is its private ballroom, capable of hosting large-scale events. The world's highest residential terrace offers a tranquil escape from the city's hustle with incredible views stretching from the Atlantic Ocean to the city's contours. Truly an unparalleled combination of luxury and serenity renders the Central Park Tower penthouse truly unique. For $250 million, this property is a genuine gem in the city. So, whether you're a fan of architectural marvels, interior design aficionados, or simply crave a taste of the high life, this is the ultimate design to ignite your imagination and leave you in awe. In the world of New York City penthouses, dreams are realized and the skyline becomes your personal masterpiece. Which of these would you call a home in the Big Apple? Let us know in the comment section below. We hope this video has ignited your imagination, allowing you to envision a world where elegance meets urban living. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on architecture, design, and the art of living luxuriously.